Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to blur the background in PhotoRoom to make your subject stand out. So let's get started. First, open the PhotoRoom app on your phone and make sure that you are logged in with your account. Within it, you will be given two options. You can just tap start from photo to edit a new image from your gallery, or tap on content icon given at the bottom right corner where it opens all your previously edited image. You can just scroll down and select any image that you want. Once you select the image, you will be redirected to the editor. But if you want to start with a new photo, you can just come back to the home and tap start from photo. Within it, select an image from your gallery. As soon as you select the photo, PhotoRoom will automatically remove the background using the AI. After that, you will be redirected to a page with different editing sections. On this screen, you will see different sections like suggested edits, edit with AI, classic, start from blank canvas, photo editing classics, and so on. You can just scroll until you see photo editing classics, where you find the option like blur, color splash, motions, low key, high key, spy, black and white, and so on, where PhotoRoom will automatically apply a blur effect to the background while keeping your subject clear and in focus. If available, you can also adjust the blur strength or refine the subject edges for a more natural look. And after all the editing, when you are happy with the result, you can just tap save, and from the ready to share screen, choose save to camera roll or any option you prefer, and after that click close design, where it will successfully save your image in your gallery. And that's how you can blur the background in PhotoRoom in just a few taps, which is perfect for portraits, product photos, as well as social media posts. So if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.